Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to play fast and efficient in Vita Mahjong. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in and register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fast play and efficient in Vita Mahjong. So if you want to clear levels in Vita Mahjong as quickly as efficiently as possible, focus on making moves, then open board after. That's simply matching the first pair you see. Then of course simply just matching the first pair you see. The game is about removing all tiles by matching identical free tiles. Tiles with no tile on top, at least one long side exposed. So when you go and open a game like this, when you open a level, this is what you'll have in front of you. Now, when you click on, of course, these signs, as you can see, you have cleared them. But of course, in the bottom, you can see some other signs. So let's say here in the top side of the screen, as you can of course go and see here in the top, we have these two lines. But I'm not going to remove the line first. I can click on the line, this one, and then as you can see here in the top, we have the crab or the of course cancer there, as you can see. Which we can click on to remove the other one, which is the same symbol, and as you can see, they now made it a perfect of course sign and level. So this is how you can do it. You can scan those, so don't use the first match you see, as I told you. Keep both sides open and check the edges often. So sometimes you can check the edges, which because if of course a tile is not on the edge, you cannot of course go and use it. It has to be on the edge. As you can see, I'm clicking this one in the top left corner. It is filled out to those, so I cannot do it. And that's how you can actually go and do it, how you can do it the fastest way. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.